in case of a power outage, we do have a generator that taps into basically the main breaker board that will power the entire house. It's a fairly simple process, but there's a sequence of things that I wanted to walk you through and explain how to do it. So to switch to generator power, the first thing we're going to want to do is go into the shed. And we have a breaker panel right here. There's a little knob at the bottom. You want to pull it towards you and just pull this thing down. Once we open it, there's two main switches. This is the main power switch and this is the main generator switch. So to switch to the generator, we're going to turn off the main power and then we're going to pull this up. We're going to then pull this up, and this will allow you to actually then turn on the main generator switch. Next, there is a valve. So the generator will run off propane. So we just need to turn this valve on, put it in the on position. And finally, all right, so this is the generator. So the first thing you want to do is, there's these flaps, and you want to make sure that if you're going to run the generator, that you put all of them up. So you do the left, the right side. There's these little hooks. The back, but the front you can leave it like this. That's to protect all the electrical components. So here, all you have to do is hit the on button for the battery. You'll see a yellow light indicating that it's ready to go. And really, the only other thing is press and hold the start button, and it should kick on. All right, once the power's back on, to turn everything back off and switch to the main power, just again press and hold the start stop button for a couple of seconds. The generator will turn off, and then make sure to hit the off button for the battery. The light will go off. And then just to protect the generator, please put the flaps back down. And there's these little Velcro pieces to secure it together. Again, we just want to put this in the off position to turn off the propane line. And finally, back in the shed, the breaker panel, we want to switch from the generator to the main power. So we'll turn off the generator. We'll pull this down, pull this down, and then turn on the main switch.